Hi students, today we see the 9th standard mathematics unit 7 mensuration. Okay, now we see the some formulas. Okay, first is Heron's formula. If A and B and C are the sides of a triangle, then the area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square units. Here height is not given. Okay, height is given means we know the formula, area of triangle equal to 1 by 2 into base into height square units. But here only sides are given, a, b, c, d are the sides of the triangle. So we use this formula, area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square units. Okay, where s equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. S is the semi perimeter of the triangle. Okay, next we see the cuboid. If the length, breadth and height of a cuboid are L, B and H respectively. Okay, so first formula, total surface area equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units. Okay, next we see the second formula, lateral surface area equal to 2 into L plus B into H square units. Okay, next volume. Volume equal to L into B into H cubic unit. Okay students, based on the Heron's formula, we see the one sum. Okay, here one sum is given. Using Heron's formula, find the area of triangle whose sides are 10 centimeter, 24 centimeter, 26 centimeter. Okay, so first solution, let we take A equal to 10 centimeter, B equal to 24 centimeter and then C equal to 26 centimeter. Okay, so what is the formula, Heron's formula to find area of triangle? Area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a, then s minus b, then s minus c square units. Okay, so area of triangle equal to root of s into s minus a, s minus b, s minus c square units. At first we find the s. Okay, so how will you find the s? S equal to a plus b plus c divided by 2. Okay, so we apply in this formula. So s equal to, what is a? A is 10 centimeter. So 10 plus what is b? 24. So what is c? 26 divided by 2. So what is s? So s equal to 26 plus 24 is 50. So 50 plus 10, 60. So 60 divided by 2 equal to 30. We cancel this one. 2 ones are 2, 2 threes are 6 and then 0. So therefore s equal to, we find 30. Okay, and then we s equal to 30 we substitute in this area of triangle formula. So area of triangle equal to area of triangle equal to, we substitute the s value. Okay, so we put the first root here. What is s? S is 30. So 30 and then s minus a. What is s? 30. What is a? A is 10. So minus 10 and then bracket. What is s? S is 30. So s minus what is b? B is 24. So minus 24 and then what is s? S is 30. So 30 minus what is c? C is 26. So 26. Okay, so square units. Okay, and then we solve here. So root of, at first we 30 write as it is. Okay, so 30 minus 10 is 20 and then 30 minus 24 is 6 and then 30 minus 26 is 4. okay, and then here, so root of, you see here 30 bracket 20 bracket 6 bracket 4, so all are multiplied. So we multiply first 30 into 20 is 600 into 6 into 4 24, so we multiply here 24 into 600, okay, so 0 0 6 4s are 24, 4 balance 2, 6 2s are 12, 12 2s are 12 plus 2 is 14, so 14,400, so equal to root of 14,400, okay. So area of triangle equal to root of 14,400. So already we how to take the square root we studied in the 8th standard, okay. Now we take the square root for 14,400, okay, 14,400. At first what we see, we take the two numbers, okay, first 2 zeros we put the 1 bar, and then next 4 4 put the 1 bar, and then 1 is remaining. So first we take the 1 table, so 1 ones are 1, okay, remaining 1 minus 1 0. Next we bring this 444 here, okay. So we multiply with 2, 1 into 2s are 2, and then which number we put here we get the 4 2, so we put the 2, so 2 2s are 4, and then 2 2s are 4, so answer is remainder is 0. Here you having the 2 zeros, so you put 1 0. So the square root of 14,400 is 120, so answer is 120. Therefore area of triangle, area of the triangle equal to 120 centimeter square. Here we put the centimeter square, okay students. We see the next sum, we see the cuboid. Using cuboid formulas we see the one sum. Here the sum is given. What is the question? Find the total surface area and lateral surface area of cuboid whose dimensions are length equal to 20 centimeter, breadth equal to 15 centimeter, and height equal to 8 centimeter, okay. So let L equal to 20 centimeter, and then B equal to 15 centimeter, and then H equal to 8 centimeter, okay. Okay, first what is given here? Find the total surface area. Find the total surface area. We know the formula. Total surface area equal to 2 into LB plus BH plus LH square units, okay. This is the formula to find the total surface area, okay. We know all the values of the length, breadth and height, so we substitute the values in this formula. So L2 into, what is the L value? We put this bracket, okay. What is the L is 20, so 20 into, what is B is 15, so we put the 15, okay. Next plus, we put the plus symbol, and then what is B? B is 15, so 15 into, what is H? H is 8, put the 8, okay. And then here we put the plus, okay. What is L? L is 8 into, what is H? H is 20. So first we put the 2 as it is, and then we multiply 20 into 15. So I multiply here, so 15 into 20, okay. So 0, 5 into 0, you put the 0, okay. 5 2s are 10, 0 balance 1, 2 1s are 2 plus 1 3, so 300. 20 into 15 is 300, okay. Plus we multiply 15 into 8, okay. So 15 into 8, what is 5 8s are 40, 0 balance 4, okay. 8 ones are 8, and then add 4, so 12, so 300 plus 120 plus, we multiply 8 is 20, as it is. So put the 0, 8 into 2 is 16, and then we add these numbers. Okay, so 300 and then 120 and then 160. So we add the numbers. So 0, 6 plus 2, 8. So 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. So 580. So here multiply 2 into, we add all these, the answer is 580. So 580, and then we multiply 580 into 2. 580 into 2. I multiply here. So 580 into 2. So 2 into 0, 0, 8 2s are 16, 6, balance 1, 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 1, 11. So 1160 centimeter square. Here square units, so put the centimeter square. Therefore total surface area we rightly shortly as TSA equal to 1160 centimeter square. Okay, next we find the LSA, lateral surface area. Okay, so lateral surface area, lateral surface area equal to, what is the formula? Lateral surface area 2 into L plus B into H square units. Okay, this is the lateral surface area formula. Already we know the L value, B value and H values. So these values are we substitute here. So 2 into, what is L value? L value is 20, and then plus, what is B value? B value is 15, and then here multiply. What is H value? H value is 8. So we substitute here, and then first we solve the bracket first. So 2 into 20 plus 15, 35 into 8. Here we multiply 2 into 35. 2 into 35 is 70. So 70 into 8. So 8, 0 into 8 is 0. 7 into 8 is 56. So 56 centimeter square. Therefore LSA, lateral surface area, shortly we will write as LSA equal to 560 centimeter square. This is the answer. So total surface area, the answer is 1160 centimeter square. Lateral surface area, the answer is 560 centimeter square. Okay students, we see the next sum. Okay, what is given here? The length, breadth and height of a hall are 25 meter, 15 meter and 5 meter respectively. Find the cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls at the rate of rupees 80 per meter square. Okay, so solution here, let L equal to 25 meter. Okay, B equal to 50 meter, and then H equal to 5 meter. Okay, what is the question? Find the cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls. So we find the area of 4 walls. So area of 4 walls equal to area of 4 walls. Area of 4 walls equal to LSA of cuboid. Area of 4 walls is equal to LSA of cuboid. We know the formula of LSA of cuboid. Okay, what is the formula? 2 into L plus B into H square units. So we know the values of the L, B and H. So we have to substitute here. So equal to 2 into, what is L? L is 25 plus, what is B? B is 15, and then what is H? H is 5. Yes, and then 25 plus 15, okay, 40. So 40 into 5. Okay, you multiply here 2 into 40, 80. So 80 into 5 equal to 5 into 0, 0, 8 5 is 40. So meter square. So area of 4 walls equal to 400 meter square. And then next, what is asking? cost of renovating its floor. Okay, so area of floor, area of the floor equal to, you see here the length and breadth are different, so it is a rectangle. So area of the floor equal to length into breadth square units. Okay, so what is the length here? Length is 25 into, what is breadth here? The breadth is 15, so put the 15. Okay, you multiply here, so 25 into 15, 5 into 5, 25, balance 2, 5 2s are 10, 12, and then multiply this one, 5 1s are 5, 2 1s are 2, add 5 plus 2 7, here 3, so 375. So area of the floor equal to 375 meter square. Okay, so 375 meter square. Next, what is asking here? The cost of renovating its floor and 4 walls. So we find the total renovating area. So total renovating area, total renovating area, total renovating area equal to area of the area of the 4 walls, okay, plus area of the floor. So we find area of the 4 walls is 400 meter square. So we write the here 400 meters plus square, and then area of the floor. What is the area of the floor? We find here the 375. So 375 meter square. So we add these two, 400 and then 375. So 5 7 7. So 775 meter square. So total renovating area is equal to 775 meter square. But what is the question asking? Cost of renovating its floor. Okay, so cost of renovating, cost of renovating 1 meter square equal to what is given? Rupees 80. Okay, so cost of renovating 1 meter square equal to rupees 80. But we want to find the cost of renovating, the cost of renovating 775 meter square. 775 meter square equal to 775 into 80. 775 into 80. So we multiply here 775 into 80. Okay, so put the 0. 8 5s are 40, 0, balance 4. Okay, next 8 7s are 56. 56 plus 4, 60, 0, and then you put the 6 here. Here 8 7s are 56. Okay, 56 plus 6 is 62. So answer equal to rupees 62000. So cost of renovating is equal to 62,000. Okay students, we will see in the next class. Thank you.